Do you know the major bones of a body? If not, stay with us as we go through the bones of a body. This lesson is ideal for students who are sitting the biology and human and social biology exam. Particularly, we are looking at the syllabus from the Caribbean Examination Council, CXC examination body. The lesson comes to you from TCP Academy. You can find us online at tcp-academy.teachable.com. You can also find us on YouTube at CSEC Biology TCP. Identify the bones in set of 5. And here the labeling is from A to T and they are color coded. Once the start button would have blinked, you have 10 seconds to answer your first 5. After the time would have run out, then the labeling will be revealed, at which point you can determine whether or not you were able to score full marks. You are allowed to go over this video as many times as is needed so as to ensure that you have mastery of this topic for your exam. Let's go. Begin. You're looking at A to E. We're out of time. So now we're going to be looking at the number you would have gotten out of your first 5. Let's reveal. Cranium, clavicle, scapula, humerus, radius. So here the scapula is to the back. It is called the shoulder bone. The clavicle to the front, it is called the collarbone, and the cranium is pretty much the skull. Then we have the radius, and sometimes there's a little problem there as to the difference between those two bones. Now the radius is that bone that would be closer to the thumb. So the radius is the bone that is closer to the thumb. We're going to be looking at the second 5 just after we would have covered the answers you have just seen. Awesome. Are you ready to go? We're going from F to J now. Here we go. Begin. Only 10 seconds to answer 5. And as you repeat this exercise, you'll realize that you really don't need 10 seconds in which you're out of time now. Let's reveal. Ulna, carpals, metacarpals, femur, and patella. Here we go. So the ulna is that bone in which the humerus sits. It is closer to the pinky finger when we look at the radius versus the ulna. Then the bones that are closer to the wrist, they are called the carpals, and then we have the metacarpals, and to the end of the metacarpals that we call our fingers, they are called phalanges. Then we have a femur, which is that leg bone, and then sitting on top of the knee, a circular bone or cuboid bone. That bone is called the patella. Do you get all 5 correct? Awesome. Let's cover, then look at our third set of bones. Awesome. So now we're going to be looking at K, L, M, N, O. You have only 10 seconds in which to answer. Let me see who will be getting this all correct now. Time is running out. Shouting them now. Awesome. So we're going for 5 out of 5 now. KLMNO. Here we go. We're going to reveal them now. Tibia, fibula, sternum, rib cage, vertebral column. Awesome. You're doing wonderfully well. So we want to look at those bones in the foot. So we're looking at the left foot here, but it's pretty much the same bones that we would have in the right. The tibia is the larger bone. The fibula there, or the fine bone, or the smaller bone there. That's a clue in identifying these bones. The fibula, the fine bone with the F there, smaller bone, and the tibia is a larger bone. And in the chest protecting the heart, we have the sternum. And the sternum would have the ribs being connected to it. It's a very solid flat bone there. Then we have the rib cage, and we have 12 pairs of ribs, of which we have 2 floating ribs at the bottom. Then we have the vertebral column or spinal column, which hold us upright. So there we have it. I do hope that you got your 5 out of 5. We're going to be covering them, and then we're going to be revealing the final set of 5 bones you need to know for your exam. Awesome. Are you ready again? Let's go. Get help with CSEC Biology SBA Labs and Human and Social Biology SBA Labs at tcp-academy.com. Tim had questions. He wanted to know where he could get help with his SBA Labs. His parents searched but could not find that experience. Tim also made some calls, however could not find the help he needed. Tim needed an experience he could trust to help him get over the hurdle of SBAs as success was in sight. He met the guys from tcp-academy.teachable.com and they designed a program to help him. tcp-academy.teachable.com was able to help him. So too, they can help you. Sign up tcp-academy.teachable.com for help with your SBAs in biology and human and social biology. Awesome. So we are now going to be revealing PQRST. Pelvic girdle, phalanges, tarsals, metatarsals, and phalanges. Now it's important to note here that in the hand or the arm we have carpals, but in the feet we have tarsals. So we have the pelvic girdle there, which is the hip region of the body, and where we find the clavicle, the chest region there, would have been our pectoral girdle. So we have pectoral girdle at the top, and we have pelvic girdle at the bottom, and we have the fingers there being the phalanges, and just close to the ankle there we have the tarsals. Moving outward to the toe we have the metatarsals, and then the toes are also called phalanges. Tell me in the comment below how many you got correct out of the set here, or tell me how long it took you to score perfect marks. I am Mr. Wilson from CSEC Biology TCP. Please be reminded to like, share, and subscribe, and follow us on YouTube at at CSEC Biology TCP. Be a part of our WhatsApp classes that we are going to be sending out videos, and you are going to be sharing these videos on your WhatsApp status, on your WhatsApp, in your various groups, so as to ensure that we complete both biology and human and social biology syllabus. Thanks much for watching, and be reminded to share the content with others. Get help with CSEC Biology SBA Labs and Human and Social Biology SBA Labs at tcp-academy.com. Tim had questions. He wanted to know where he could get help with his SBA Labs. His parents searched but could not find that experience. Tim also made some calls, however could not find the help he needed. Tim needed an experience he could trust to help him get over the hurdle of SBAs, as success was in sight. He met the guys from tcp-academy.teachable.com and they designed a program to help him. tcp-academy.teachable.com was able to help him. So too, they can help you. Sign up tcp-academy.teachable.com for help with your SBAs in biology and human and social biology.